So how do you change the sleep setting for iPhone? And let's get started. If this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of videos which I believe you're gonna like. So first of all, the sleep settings for the display can be found in the main settings app and inside the menu for display and brightness. And the thing or option you want to look at is the automatic locking feature titled auto lock. And in there you have like 6 options for the minutes, so it ranges from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. So you get to decide specifically how long the iPhone should wait before it puts the screen to sleep. So these are the sleep settings. On the other hand, you might also be referring to the sleeping schedules and like bedtime notifications and all of that, right? And this can be found in the settings as well, but by navigating to the focus section, and there you should be able to find the sleep. And you can see we've got like the schedule, so you can adjust the turn it on or off, adjust the wind it down period, choose a specific time you want to spend in the bed and like the sleeping time, whatever, right? And it's just all set up right here, including the alarm. So that might be again something which you probably have in mind. So yeah, you can change it up and adjust it according to your preferences. So if that's the thing that you are going after and you manage to fix it or change it, then let me know about that and just hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if not, just let me know what exactly you are looking for, so perhaps I'll make the updated video about it later. So go ahead and let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.